All right, so welcome once again. This is for the price list, okay, for our services. All right, these documents might be modified as time goes on, so you might need to request for it. So in case if there are modifications, then you see it in the one we're going to send to you. But let's quickly study the price list. So in the price list, we have basic plan. This one is for websites, okay. Like I told you, actually, our website, there are different types of websites, so we can't really have a comprehensive uh, price list for websites. Okay, so what you do is, if maybe you want to visit a business owner, then you tell us. We will now check the price. Okay, I will give you a price range for businesses. But if you want to visit any other individual outside business, outside normal trading, like people that sell product and services, if you want to visit like a lawyer or a doctor or any other professional, you might need to ask us. We discuss with you, then we'll give you a price range for that. We are not going to incorporate all of them in this document. The reason is that it continues to change. So whatever price you're going to see here for website might change quickly. So that is why you might need to confirm from us, okay, before telling, as in confirm from us, then now make you can before you set out for the marketing, okay, in case if the price has been altered. All right, very good. So but this price list I'm sharing with you now for websites, the one I sent to someone, that people that deals on car dealers. So this price list for websites is website for car dealers. Like if a car dealer wants to build a website, the prices of the website for a car dealer. Okay, so the basic plan will have basic website features like about us, home, services, and all whatnot. It will have admin and user management system. So admin and user management system is a system whereby in a website you can log in, log out. Okay, you can upload products in the website. Okay, and you can delete product from the website. All right. Then domain and hosting, or the online shopping. To also have online shopping system. Online shopping system is a system whereby somebody visits the website and can order product online. So so it's these are the features it's going to have. All right. Basic features, like once you visit a website, all the websites, they have basic features like about us, home, services, contacts. All these are in the menu. Okay. Then to have admin, there's people can log into the website and upload products. Okay, like those that are selling cars can, if they have new cars to upload, they can upload it. They can delete old ones if they want. Okay, then online shopping system, people can order for that product online. Okay, and pay them online. Okay, then we can host the website for them. So the price for basic plan is 300k. Okay, 300k. This is for car dealers. Okay, but this price is slightly negotiable. Okay, but don't actually use this price for uh, all businesses. Like I told you, if you want to visit certain people, then you need to know confirm the prices from us first before going. Please, very important. Okay. For normally for businesses, normal business as traders that are selling products, the price for their website ranges from 200k to 300k thereabout. Okay. It can be cheap. I mean, we might come a slightly lower. My less, we can even do it 150, depending on the type of business the person is into. That is why you need to confirm from us to know the price range. You always work with the price range, okay, when negotiating with the person. Okay, so that's it. I'm using Naira here in this video, but know that it can also be converted to for the Ghanaians. Just know that whatever naira I use here, just divide it by 100 to get Ghana cedi. For example, if I say 300k in naira, that means it will be 3,000 Ghana cedi. Okay, so that you don't get confused for Ghanaians. Okay, just use exchange rate to know how much it will be in Ghana cedi or how much it will be in dollars. Even though once it's in dollars, we make it will be costlier. So that's why you need to confirm from us, because dollars, there are a lot of things you need to do to get the dollar. So what it costs in naira will not be what it's going to cost in dollar. If we are dealing with people abroad, the price is different. All these are what we are why you should confirm from us, so that we discuss with you before you set up or set out or call whoever you want to call. Alright, then for premium plan, okay, it's going to have all the basic plans, but it will include, it will add blog. It also add blog. Okay, so blog is where people can post businesses. They can post about their businesses, write article about their business, about their product, and post on in their website. Okay, and share it on social media. Blog will attract people from social media to the website. After reading the blog, they will get to know more about the business, okay, and get to know more about the product, and might be interested in ordering for the product. Okay, so that is the essence of the blog. All right, then the enterprise plan. Okay, it will have all the basic features and premium features. Then in addition, it will have inventory management system. Okay, these are for those that are big businesses, okay, that they want to, not necessarily big business, any business should need inventory management, but it's popular among big business owners. Okay, so businesses that have big businesses. Okay, so inventory management system manages the stock of the business, as in all the products that are in stock, the amount, it will capture the number of products in stock, the prices, okay, the amount of the products sold, okay, the products that are out of stock, everything about the product. Okay, then the profit, the loss, and everything. So it makes it easy for a business owner to quickly log in and check to know the product in stock, the product sold, the product that's still available, the product that should be repressed, okay, and all whatnot. So he manages the entire inventory, even the staff, those that are working for that particular business. Okay, so it's quite useful. Inventory management system is quite useful for businesses. So this enterprise plan will include the inventory management system. Okay, and that is for websites. But just remember that this sample of the websites and the cost implication is just for car dealers. Okay, so for other businesses, it might not be this cost, might be more or less or exactly this cost. So that is why you must please confirm from us. All right. So this is 550k in Nigerian naira, and that is 5,500 Ghana cedi. Okay, and let's say about $600. All right, for the enterprise edition. Just for now, but the price might change. Just know that. Please always confirm from us. All right. Thank you so much. I think I will stop for now. Then the next tutorial, I will continue with email marketing price list. Thank you so much.